Step 3. Reassigning a study that has already been added to a project in SRDR to a different member of your project team. First, select the study to be reassigned. Click the Reassign icon located directly below the study. The study assignment option window that pops up contains a list of all the studies currently assigned to AHRQ. To reassign the study already selected by default, in addition to 2 other studies to the project team member C. Parkin, I will check off these studies. Then select C. Parkin as the new assignment. Note that I can only assign studies to project team members who have already been added to my project. After clicking the Reassign Studies button, we will receive a confirmation banner. On the study list, we see that the 3 studies we selected for reassignment to C. Parkin were reassigned.